So how to get started with affiliate marketing using paid advertising. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly behind the scenes what it actually takes. If you watching this video want to have results with ClickBank, with MaxWeb, with low ticket or high ticket affiliate marketing, basically promoting other people's products for huge affiliate commissions. So here you can see, okay, this is my Instagram, so you can find me later after watching this video on my Instagram. But now let's go straight into step by step, right? I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to show you exactly what gurus don't want you to know. So let's go straight into it. If you want to have results, right, with this method, which is what? My method is having a social ad, and I'm going to explain you later what is social ad, right? But that's just so you can see a bigger picture here. First step, social ad. Sending people from the social ad to the landing page or a blog, right? With value-driven content. And then sending them to the sales page where they buy. Now, very important thing. We are not selling. We are not salesmen. We are pre-selling, right? This is why it's called pre-sale funnel, right? We are not salesmen. You're not selling. The job of the page is not to sell. Sales happen over here on the sales page from the ClickBank vendor, whatever affiliate products you're promoting or coaching programs, doesn't matter. But I'm trying to portray to you an image that you're not a salesman. You're not persuading people to buy, right? You have a social ad and you're sending it to the landing page. You're the middleman over here, right? With this landing page. And this part is your pre-sale funnel, right? You're pre-selling what's about to happen. You're like a Netflix movie, right? You're giving out a trailer, right? Making them back to buy, basically, right? Once they come to the sales page, the vendor, the product owner do all the telling and selling for you. So you're not selling on the landing page. And this is where lots of newbie affiliate marketers lose money and time, because they don't understand that their job is not to persuade and sell the product. Their job is to pre-sell the plan and concept of the product, of the benefit that's going to happen once they get that weight loss supplement, once they buy that fitness coaching, once they buy that Forex or Bitcoin investment, whatever it is, right? It's all about pre-selling the idea. And very important thing, right? So then they opt in checkout, and what happened then? Email sequence, right? The riches is in the follow-up. So email sequence, the job of the email autoresponder sending emails daily is basically to follow up with the prospect, with the people who have not decided to buy yet, right? Remember, it takes between 5 to 12 touch points for the customer to decide to buy. Not everyone is gonna buy on the spot, especially if you're selling above the $1,000, $2,000 products, right? But if you're selling instant purchase, like instinct buyers, right? They will pay $50 or $100 or $37 ebook, right? No problem. Happen like this. No persuasion needed, right? Very easily. But you need to have some kind of skill set or someone to guide you through step by step to know exactly how to position your offer. Meta positioning, very important, right? I'm not sure if you have seen on any YouTube videos you were watching this kind of method that I'm sharing with you right now. So stay until the end of this video to realize what is the next step, which is this, which is boring to some people, but very important if you want to make big money, big bucks online. What am I showing you? What the heck I'm showing you? This is the deep, I'm calling this deep dive dark secrets of your market. What are the deep dark secrets that people are not telling you about? That is the most important thing, right? Remember, over here you can see, right? We have name Emma Rodriguez. She's 45 years old. Her hair color, eye color is blonde and green. What is her marital status? She's single or divorced. How many children she has? Right? She have Lucas and Sophia, residents, for example, Miami, Florida. Why all these things are important? Because you can construct avatar, your basically audience, and know exactly what your audience want. And then once you know what they want, you give them what they want. Sound easy and simple, and it is once you work on it, or once you have someone to give you done for you system that will enable you to know, aha, I'm advertising, for example, I don't know, coffee to a Starbucks product to someone who's already visiting Starbucks every single day, right? Tell me that's an easy sell. It's an easy sell, right? You don't have to convince someone who will go every morning with a laptop to Starbucks to buy Starbucks, right? They're already pre-sold on the product, no? This is what I'm trying to tell you. You see income $80,000, very important thing if you're selling financial niche, investments, gold investments, right? As an affiliate, right? You should know you're targeting wealthy, affluent Americans, right? They can afford to invest $1 million, $500,000, $100,000, right? Especially if you're affiliate. I'm talking about affiliates who are in the gold niche, for example, right? CPA affiliate marketing. Then you have life beliefs, right? Very important thing. And then favorite books, music, TV shows. Why? Because if you know anything about affiliate marketing, Google ads and Facebook ads, specifically Facebook ads in this case, you can target people by what they like, what kind of books they read, what kind of influencers they follow, what kind of TV shows they watch. Make sense? I hope it makes a lot of sense, because it's a very important thing, but to some people it's just too boring to watch. So it's your fault if you didn't make any money, if you didn't stay until the end of this video, right? The fastest path is to have someone, I'm telling you, to have someone to guide you one-on-one, step by step, holding your hand holding you along the way, to showing you the ropes, right, of how to win the game of affiliate marketing. Because that's true, it's a game of affiliate marketing. So why we need PreSale Page? Again, most media buyers, people who are buying ads online, right, they focus only on the ad copy, right, or ads itself, headline. But you have to know what happens before the click, right? We call this, or I call this, pre-click experience, right? Most people think I have to write the words best ad, right, and you have to be unbelievably compelling, which is not true, right? Solution is this: place a pre-sale page between your ad, as you can see here, and your sales page to create less friction, right? This will reduce friction between your ad on this side and the sales page, right, from the clickbank vendor in this case. So you imagine if you're in the middle with a block or pre-sale page, and over here you have the ad, here is the pre-sale page or landing page or website, right, and here is the clickbank vendor sales page. If you do your job right as an affiliate of pre-selling all 5 points that I'm showing to my students, then you should expect to get a sale after they go to the sales page. Because remember, you cannot control what the clickbank vendor or product owner does, how he sells them. You cannot control the sales process, but what you can control is a pre-sale process. If you pre-sell them well, sale happen like this, like clockwork. But you have to know how to pre-sell, right? So you can do this with free traffic, with Facebook ads, with Google ads, or even organic SEO, doesn't matter, right? Traffic is already there, people are already there. You just need to know how to position yourself in front of the eyeballs who are looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. And that's it. Like this, like a clockwork, you win, right? So if you're watching this video right now and you're asking yourself what to do next, like I'm watching this video, okay, I don't know you, you don't know me, but you want to get results. What to do next? You can connect with me after watching this video. I'll show you my Instagram. You can reach me out on Facebook. You can DM me. You can send me an email or WhatsApp message, right? And I will respond as soon as I can. If you are serious, again, if you're serious to have results, and I always suggest, if you have at least $1,000 on the side, or 500 or 1,000 minimum to $3,000 US, then you're a right fit, right? Then you have enough to start. If you have less than 500 US dollars, don't need to bother me or contact me. Why? Because I don't want to waste your time, right? You need to have someone to tell you the truth, what you need, and what to do next with what you have. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button below so we can have more people to see this video and get more helpful tips.